Hi guys, I'm going to talk about do-it-yourself astrology. For all those people that want to learn how to do your own astrology chart interpretation, number one is you need to be a little patient. But number two, find out as much as you can from a reliable source, a good book from an astrologer, not just anybody. I've seen a lot of ebooks lately that are just full of errors, so be very careful. And then take it from, look at your sun, your moon, and your ascendant. But if you have a cluster of planets all in one area that outnumber the sun, the moon, and the ascendant, then you need to pay close attention to that sign as well. So there's a lot of give and take. There's a lot of, layering of information. Remember, there are about 4,000 bits of information on an astrology chart. So in order to get a real good, accurate reading for yourself, start, by looking at the big picture, then zoom into the sun, and then look back out, and then try to get a good understanding, like, is that me? Start questioning these keywords, because unless you read hundreds and hundreds of books like I did and put together your own keywords that make sense to you, it's trial and error. But you'll get the essence. Try to get the essence of the energies that are involved, the essence of the sign, the essence of the planets and the houses. Okay? That's all for now. Do it yourself, astrologers. You're awesome, and thanks for asking these questions.